What you doing, Pinky boy? Hi. Right there. Oh, he's eating his hand. Must be hungry this morning. Are you hungry this morning? Huh? Are you hungry? Moving them legs. Look at them legs. Ooh, wee, and them little teeny feet. Yeah, boy. Let's turn you over, okay? Get a better look at you. How's that sound, huh? Yeah, here's that big boy again. Hi, big boy. Hi, Pinky boy. Hi, yeah, that's those kind of smiles we like. Them good morning smiles in a happy mood. Yeah, that's what we like. Yeah. Where you looking? Huh? You're just looking straight in the air, aren't you, huh? Oh. Let's get some more looks at them big old legs, okay? Huh? Yeah. Are you my mommy's Pinky boy, huh? Are you mommy's Pinky boy, huh? Happy boy. Happy boy. Oh, you got the covers. You'll cover yourself up, huh? Yeah. Uh-huh. Oh, you're gonna roll over, aren't you? Oh, there we go. There we go. Yeah, there's that smile. I'm number one, huh? Yeah, that's Mommy's boy. Yeah, look at all this stuff you have in here. Yeah, just look at it. Yeah. You're just so content. You want me to turn on your mobile and let you listen to it, huh? You like that, don't you? Here we go. I'll turn it on for you. Okay, now he's watching his mobile. You want me to turn that on too? Huh? He likes that. His dream machine. Yeah. He's just real interested in everything. He's so alert. Aren't you? Let's see if we can get another angle of your face again, okay? There we go. He smiles all the time. He's a happy boy, aren't you? Happy boy. Happy boy. What you doing? Huh? He just loves to watch everything. Well, say bye-bye to everybody. Okay? This is Timothy at 3 months. Say bye-bye. Yeah. B's first time in the pool. And probably his last time. Okay, second time in the pool.
It'll be his last time. Well, it might be his last time in this pool.
Well, it'll be his last time down here in Louisiana.
Oh, yeah.
Be his last time in Louisiana.
Oh, he doesn't like it.
Yeah, he just woke up from a nap. He's not in a real good mood, is he? No. He's not in a good mood.
One time he went in the pool one time, Dad.
Think he's hungry?
Yep.
Well, maybe we'll give him some food and then come back after. Oh, look. Raw, you're going to get his face in the water. Yeah, he won't want that. Yeah. He won't like that.
Get wet.
Raw.
Get your mouth wet.
He'll think it's food. Oh, he don't like it.
Your head wet. It's hot out here.
Yeah, he's gonna get sunburned. Well, okay, we'll get him out of the water and give him a bottle because he's so mad. Bye-bye. Here's Timmy at 4 months.
Smile for the camera. Look at that light out of my face. I'm eating my hands. Want to laugh? Want to make you laugh? He loves to be tickled right now. He's just getting used to it. There you go. Watch. I'm getting you. Okay. I'll get you again. Yes, I will.
Enhanced precision, which I favor. Budget amendment, which I favor.
See what Daddy did to
Those
you.
things are fine. They're window dressing. They make you feel good. The thing that I was talking about earlier.
Meet my hands. You talk for us?
There's Corey and Killer. Corey and Killer.
Now do Squeaky.
There's Squeaky. She's
Sure, the
running
Zoom is
away.
going in and out.
No. Not.
And then finally to come out even. But you have to go after programs and that are going to be controversial.
There's Squeaky and there's Mitch. There's the rest of the family.
We've already done some of the Social Security. We have increased the tax on those
This is our new house. It's not quite finished. We'll have to come back when we get more done.
Dad, should I show them down there for the night? Huh? Huh, Dad?
Clean out the litter box?
Yeah.
Who cleaned it last night? Huh?
Who cleaned
Somebody
the
did,
litter
I did.
box?
I cleaned the litter
No, I
box.
cleaned it
It's
last night.
Timmy's turn.
Mitch's.
That means it's Corey.
Move your big fat face.
I cleaned it the night before.
There he is.
Give me them hands. I think it's Corey's turn.
No, it isn't. Mitch's.
Quit it, Mitch.
No, I
I'm
can't do
taping.
it fast, Dad.
Here's Timmy at almost 6 months. It's October the 27th. Hi, Timmy. Timothy. Give him his dog.
You gonna catch Grandpa in action here?
Yeah. There's his puppy.
Give me one of them little ones, man.
And stand on his low board. Right there, low board.
He's trying to eat the dog. Oh, he's getting weird. He's getting ready to attack it again, and there he goes. He's about got it. Okay, let's see what else is going on here. Grandma's making meet the dog. Oh, in action, yes, he really did do these shelves.
Well, I taught him everything he knows.
Did ya?
Get over it.
Yep, they're in working action here. It's in my VCR case. It's Killer. Now I think there's a whole clear picture of the shelf. Is that all I do? What? There's baby again. It's somewhere. Yes, there he is. Not wanting to get in the Corey. It's Corey not wanting to get in the camera. And it's Mitch. Somewhere, where is Mitch? And it's Corey. And it's Corey.